guys, it's me Mia and welcome back to my channel. Guess what, you guys? I'm going to start the advanced courses of the Evolve program, blocks 5 through 8. I received my new box of supplies back in October and it was just sitting in my art room all this time. I was excited to get the box, but I was not tempted to open it at all. I wanted to finish block 4, and opening this new box would be like opening an early Christmas present. So now I'm finished with block 4 and I'm going to unbox everything, and you'll get to see all the materials I'll be working with for blocks 5 through 8. As you can see, this box is way bigger and heavier than the last 2 boxes I received for the foundation course. I can't remember exactly how long shipping was, but I do know I received it within a week. So not long at all considering that I live in Canada. But anyway, let's get started. So the first item that I have is a new set of Old Holland paintbrushes. They look like filberts and they come in sizes 2, 6, and 10. I have 2 number 2s, 5 number 6s, and 2 number 10s. And I also have 2 new Simply Simmons fan brushes in size 4. The next item I'm unwrapping is a small metal cup, as well as a bottle of Alkyd medium. I also have this brand new bottle of linseed oil, which I really need because this is the old bottle that I have, and you can see how it's almost empty because I accidentally spilled it. And the bottle is crusty as well. But yeah, it's great to have a brand new bottle of linseed oil. I have a brand new tube of Old Holland titanium white paint. This is a large tube, 125 ml. And I still have the tube of titanium white from the previous box, and it's still half full, so I'm going to finish using that up before I start using this new one. These are 4 sets of Old Holland oil paint, so let's open them and see what I'll be working with. So these are pretty much the same colors that I used for blocks 3 and 4, and I still have plenty of those paints left. In my previous box, I received 2 tubes of Naples yellow, and I just now finished using one of them. So for the advanced blocks, I also have 2 tubes of Naples yellow, so now I have a total of 3. We have another set of Old Holland paints that will be used for glazing. We have Indian Yellow, Madder Lake, Bright Violet, Ultramarine Red Pink, Chev Blue, Chev Green, Transparent Oxide Red Lake, and Haynes Gray. These tubes are small. I would say they're about 20 ml, but yeah, I'm really excited about these colors, especially the bright purple, ultramarine, red pink, and Payne's gray. I have another pad of the Soho Urban Artist gray toned disposable paper palette, and I have 20 brown toned canvas sheets that will be used for vacant shadows in block 5. I received 3 Frederick's Cantone canvas pads, 12 by 6 inches. Each pad contains 8 sheets that are pre-toned a light blue color. This is a transfer packet with images we'll be transferring onto canvas. Let's take a look at the actual photos because they look like they're around the same size as the canvas pads. I'm looking forward to doing the cat with the pear and the tennis ball, the teddy bear with the bottle, the mole pot, the lion, and the chess pieces. These are some really nice photos and I'm looking forward to working with them. These are the photo references I'll be using for block 5 when I learn the vacant shadows technique. These are some really awesome photos, but I'm looking forward to doing still lives again. But that's it, you guys. That's everything that was in the box for blocks 5 through 8. It's a lot of stuff, and I'm really excited to start this portion of the program, but I'm really looking forward to learning speed painting and the puddling technique. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel because I will be documenting my journey during the advanced portion of Evolve. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!